Hello students, now in this video we will discuss about the force between two parallel current carrying wires. Means we have two wires, they have current I1 and I2. If the current is in the same direction, there will be a force of attraction. If the currents are opposite, the force will be repulsive. Okay, how we will calculate? Before discussing, I will clear you 2 points. First point is, if this wire contains I, carrying I current, and we need to calculate magnetic field at that point, we know that magnetic field at that point due to this wire and due to this current I is mu naught upon 2 pi I by R. Okay, and second point is, if any wire have current I and it is placed in a magnetic field, okay, then the wire will experience a force that is equals to I L B sin theta. If this is I1, the current will be I1. If this is I2, there will be I2. If let us suppose this is a wire 2, okay, this is a wire 2 and this is a wire 1. This is a wire 2, this is a wire 1. If this is a wire 2 that carries I2 current, this is wire 1, and this carries what? This carries a current I1. And due to this at that point, if this is R distance, at that point magnetic field is this, and if this is placed in a magnetic field, an external magnetic field, this will experience a force I2 L B sin theta, where B is the magnetic field in which this wire is placed. Let us suppose two wires are there. Okay, this wire is one wire number 1, and this is wire number 2. This carries current I and this carries current I2. This is I1, this is I2, and we need to calculate force on this due to this. Okay, because it is placed in a magnetic field produced by wire 2. Wire 2 will produce magnetic field at that point in this direction, right hand palm rule. Due to right hand palm rule, magnetic field at that point due to this wire will be in this direction, and the magnetic field at that point, that will be equals to B is equals to, this magnetic field is due to wire 2, that's why B2 is equals to mu naught upon 2 pi I2 upon R. Let us suppose the distance between these two wires is R. Okay, and we know that at force at 1, this is what? I1 into L, length of the wire, B2, because at that point magnetic field is due to wire 2, B2 sin theta. In place of theta, what we will put? We will put magnetic field due to this wire at that point is out of the plane, this plane. Okay, and current in the wire, in this wire is current is in upward direction. The angle between these two will be 90 degree. So we will take 90 degree, and after calculation, this is I1, this is L, and B2, in place of B2 you will write mu naught upon 2 pi I1, sorry, I2 upon R into sin 90 is 1. Again we can write F1 upon L is equals to mu naught upon 2 pi I1 I2 upon R. Force per unit length, let us suppose this is small f. This is the formula for the force at one wire due to the second wire. Let us suppose F is equals to F2 upon L, means force on second wire. Force on second wire will be equals to I2 L B1, magnetic field due to, at that point magnetic field due to first wire. This will be B1, and sine, you know that 90 degree, because due to this magnetic field will be inside, at that point due to this wire magnetic field will be inside, and in this current is moving upward. Angle between DL and magnetic field will be 90 degree again, and this is 1. What you will see that I2 into L into B1. B1 will be what? B1 will be at that point. B1 will be mu naught upon 2 pi I1 upon R. Mu naught upon 2 pi I1 upon R. And after solving, you will have F2 upon L. F2 upon L is equals to mu naught upon 2 pi I1 I2 upon R. This is F. If you see these two formula, the two formula are same. Okay, means force on second wire due to first is same or equal force on wire 1 due to the wire 2. If we talk about the direction of the forces, force on wire 1, because the magnetic field at that point is in this direction, due to first magnetic field is in this direction, and L is in this direction, means motion of the charged particle or current is in this direction, and magnetic field is this direction, force will be in this direction. Direction of force is this is F1. What about F2? Magnetic field is inside into the plane due to this wire. Magnetic field is into the plane, and DL is this, means current is moving upward and magnetic field is in this direction. That means the force will be in this direction. Okay, means if the current is in the same direction of two parallel current carrying conductors or wires, that means the force will be attractive, and amount of force or magnitude of the force will be same, and that is equals to force per unit length is equals to mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 upon R. If this wire carries current opposite, okay, magnitude will be same, but the wire is in this direction and magnetic field produced by this wire is into the plane, the force will be in this direction, F2 will be in this direction. Okay, and what about F1? Magnetic field, now the current is moving in this direction, at that point magnetic field will be inside and current is upside. Current is upside, magnetic field in this direction, then the force will be in this direction. That means F1 is F1 is in this direction, that means the force is repulsive. If the wires have anti-parallel currents, then the force will be repulsive, and if the wires have the current in the same direction, means parallel currents, parallel means in the same direction, the force will be attractive. Hope you are getting, and thanks for watching this video.